Hey everybody, how's it going? So I got a quick video to talk to you guys about the join button that will be showing up soon for members. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today I want to do a quick discussion and just chat with you guys real quick. I'm going to be enabling the join button next to my channel name. So that will be providing you guys some more exclusive content. I'll be trying my best to get out content particular to the members, as well as I'm going to be trying to do more exclusive things for members also, like certain levels going to have where I provide more in-depth information on a personal level, which would be like social media connecting. You can ask me personal questions about projects going on, how things are going. If you need automotive or computer or help with tools, you can ask me there as well. I'm going to be also providing other exclusive content, like exclusive early release videos for members, as well as a few others. That information will be down below next to the subscribe button. If you click join, you guys can get more information below. There's going to be 5 tiers, I believe, starting from 99 cents to about $50 a month. And I will do my best to provide all of those perks the best I can with my busy schedule. One of the perks is also going to be shout outs. You guys get your name shouted out on videos, and a few others. So stick around, and I hope to see you guys there. I appreciate all of you guys, subscribers, future subscribers, subscribers that are already subscribed, as well as fans and the help on the videos. Thank you guys so much, and I hope to see you guys soon. And the content's going to be delving more into automotive, computers, tools. I do occasionally do video game live streams. I might add that as a perk where you guys can actually join on a video game live stream if you guys want to join the game. I'm not sure yet, but that might be a perk coming. Appreciate you guys' time. I hope to see you guys on the next video, and thank you guys so much for being here. I'll see you guys next time. Peace!